Okay, there's the woodpecker. And they keep coming down to the bird feeder there, which I just filled up yesterday morning, completely full, and it's nearly empty now. I was up and filled it in. Yep, see the woodpecker just went out there and grabbed a little something. And it was, I'm sure it was a cardinal. I saw a red bird. I went and got my phone, came back, it's gone. Usually the cardinal will come out here with its spouse and he'll guard the area while she goes and eats. Then he'll go and eat something, There's the woodpecker again. Let me get a close up of this stuff here. Let's see what we got here. I have to fill it up. Yeah, I completely filled it yesterday. Threw seeds around the ground for the other some birds and put a little bit in that other one where the squirrel took. I don't know what happened to the lid to it. Let's see, wait till the woodpecker comes back. Come on, buddy. They want to see you. There he is. Pretty cool. There's Chickadee. And she was relying on pregnancy plan to get her through her prosecution. There's the blue jay. Yeah. All we would need for the is just the cardinal to come. There was a crow hanging out up there in it. So.